My name is Azure Sando Stanislaus. I'm from Ghana. I work for Basic Needs Ghana. We are providing sustainable vegetable gardening for the most vulnerable people in our society. Persons with lived experience in terms of mental health, epilepsy, and their caregivers, and as well as widows. So the project comes in as a solution to ensure that they get their daily income from it, then also to ensure that the vegetable produce they are able to consume as well. We are actually using the indigenous knowledge to support us improve what we do at the community level. We engage with community opinion leaders, the target beneficiaries, to understand what the problem is. Then together we come out with a solution. Over the years, we have several testimonies about what UNDP has done. There is increase in income, there is improved nutrition, there is reduced in relapse cases of mentally ill persons. It has come to prove that stabilized mentally ill people can be productive in society and can contribute meaningfully to the development of the community, to their families, and to themselves.